Welcome, Stephen Moody here, co-owner of MoodyTees. Now you may have landed on this video because you're looking for screen printing solutions for your business, maybe a local event that you're putting on, or maybe you just have a great idea that you want to get t-shirts made. If you watch this video all the way through, I want to share with you 3 special tips that you should always look for no matter what screen printer that you use. Before I do that, I just want to share with you who MoodyTees is and what we specialize in. MoodyTees is a custom screen printing company located in Lolo, Montana. We do local service, we do statewide service in the state of Montana, but we also do nationwide service. So if you're looking for a screen printing solution, no matter where you are in the nation, we have you covered. MoodyTees specializes in logo creation, full custom illustrations, and of course, screen printing. My partner, Steely, and I have been working together in the screen printing industry for 12 years together. I personally have been in the screen printing industry since 1986, specializing in the art and technique of screen printing. I've been able to master some techniques that probably only 2% of screen printers in the industry can do. And one of those is Cmyk Printing, which is basically the same printing process that you see used to print magazines, books, newspapers, posters, you name it. The reason most screen printers do not use Cmyk Printing is it's a difficult technique that takes some mastering. But I love it because it's simple and it gives you full detail. It gives you the ability to use 4 colors in order to make every color in the rainbow. Now Chris and I together have worked in many different businesses in the screen printing industry, and we decided to start MoodyTees because we've seen the do's and the don'ts that work and don't work in the screen printing industry. So we started MoodyTees so that we could make the process seamless for customers like yourself and printers and designers like ourselves in order to have an end product that you're happy with and will last for decades to come. Now for those 3 tips that you should always look for no matter what screen printer you use. My number 1 is cleanliness. I've worked in the industry for a long time and I've seen a lot of screen printers that are sloppy and dirty. And when it comes to those type of printers, it shows in their artwork, it shows in their t-shirts, and it just means you're not getting the best product that you can get. So here's a few pictures that I took. The first one is of our shop, our ink buckets, and you can see how clean they are. The next ones are just some random pictures that I took off some big name screen printers, both locally and nationwide, and I just want to show you the difference between our ink buckets and their ink buckets. Now what does this really mean to you? Cleanliness. If you're not a clean printer, your t-shirts are not going to be the best they can be. I guarantee you that. So look for a clean shop, clean ink buckets, and clean screens. Just take a look back in the screen printer that you choose and check out their shop and see how clean it is. Number 2, and very, very important. Here's a picture of an aluminum screen that we use that is re-stretchable. Now what that means is the tension of the screen is very important to how the ink is processed onto your shirt. There are some companies out there that use wood screens like this frame you see here. Now I use these old wood frames for actual picture frames. But if you go back into a screen printer shop and you see them using wood frames, run. Do not use a screen printer that uses wood frames. Number 3, and the very most important part, is when you choose your screen printer, I want you to choose someone that is willing to work with you inside your budget and not pressure you into something that you don't want that maybe even confuses you. When you work with MoodyTees, we will walk you through the process. We will first start with your budget and your design. If you do not have a design, we'll work with you on creating that design to stay within your budget. I've worked in the industry so long, and I've seen people get really frustrated when they come into a screen printer shop, they have an idea, and they end up walking out not knowing what they just paid for, and when they pick up their shirts, it is nothing like what they wanted when they first walked through the door. So when you choose MoodyTees as your screen printing solution, we will walk you through the process, and we will not require you to do anything until you're absolutely ready and you absolutely know for certain what it's going to cost, what it's going to look like, so that when you get your end product, you are going to be 110% happy. Now, we guarantee our customer service. That is the number one thing that we absolutely live for. Because if you're happy, we're happy. If you're unhappy, we have not done our job right. And we want to eliminate that from day one. So go ahead, contact Stephen Moody or my partner Chris Steely at info@moodyteesmt.com, and let's get your t-shirts made today. As always, wear your mood.